Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your gun after shooting it. So if you have a double barrel, you obviously crack it open. I use this little string thing. You put this on through your barrel and you just pull this straight through, and see it's got your little things right here. So feed it through. Usually you can take it and hold your gun up and just feed it through like this. And it should just come right through the bottom like this. So now you got it right in here, okay? Next you're going to take it, just pull it right on through there. It might feel like it's not going to fit, but you just got to pull it right through there. And this just shines your gun up so good. That just shines your barrel up. So, with a double barrel, you do both barrels same way. And if you were really shooting a lot and it's not clean enough, you can always do 2 runs. Alright, so you got it through again. Just pull it right on through there. And there you go. Now your barrels are clean. So then, shut it. And I use this Remington oil. I usually just squirt it on here. Use a rag. Cleans your gun right up. Now this is a Satori double barrel shotgun. Over and under. It's a 12 gauge. Haven't really shot it much before. Been using my 20 gauge I got last year, and this year I think I'm gonna start shooting more 12 gauge. So now I know I will, because I really like this gun. So there you go, clean gun, shiny gun, ready to go back in the case. Subscribe for more, guys.